For problem A, find x and y coordinates of three intersections of graph f and g. So the first intersection would be 2 and 4. The next one would be 4 and 16. And the next one would be negative 0.767 and then 0.588. Okay, for problem B, you're going to have to set up the integral giving the area enclosed by graphs f and g, but do not evaluate. You're going to have to add both of the areas together. Okay, you're going to have to set up the integral from negative 0.767 to 2 for the first one. From top minus bottom, so the top curve is 2 to the x minus x squared, which is the bottom curve, dx, plus the integral of 2 to 4 for the next one, of the top minus bottom, which would be x squared minus 2 to the x, dx. Alright, for problem C, we're going to set up the integral for volume of a solid by revolving the region R1, which is this region right here, about the line y equals 5, but do not evaluate. So you have your formula. You do pi from the integral from negative 0.767 to 2, 5 minus x squared minus 5 minus 2x squared dx. For problem A, you're going to have to find the area of R. R is the region between the graphs y equals x squared and 1 plus sine pi of x. R is also the shaded region. To find the area, you're going to have to do the top curve minus the bottom curve from the integral 0 to 1, which is given to you in the problem. So you have the 1 plus sine x minus x squared of d of x, top minus bottom, and then you have to find the integral. Then once you find the integral, plug in your 1 for your variable, and then plug in your 0 for your variable, and you get 2/3 plus 2 over pi. For problem B, set up the integral, but do not integrate the volume of R when revolved around the x-axis. To find the volume around the x-axis, you do volume equals pi times the integral of a to b of y2 squared minus y1 squared dx. So you have pi from 0 to 1, which is your y2, y1 plus sine of pi x squared minus y2 y1 x to the 4th dx. For problem C, we're going to set up the integral for the volume of R revolved about the y-axis, but do not integrate. So the volume formula is 2 pi RH dx. So you have the 2 pi integral to 0 to 1 of x, which is your radius, and the equation 1 plus sine pi of x minus x squared is your height.